Hello everyone, frustrated with your cross-lay record player constantly skipping? In this video, we will show you easy fixes to keep your favorite tracks playing smoothly. Let's dive in. Place your cross-lay record player on a flat, stable surface to prevent wobbling and skipping. Set the correct speed for your record like 33, 1 by 3, 45 or 78 RPM and try switching speed if skipping continues. Gently clean the stylus with a soft brush or replace it if it's dirty or worn, as the faulty needle is a common cause of skipping. Why Crossley record player keeps skipping? A Crossley record player keeps skipping because it may be on an uneven surface set to the wrong speed, have a dirty or worn stylus, incorrect tracking force, or there could be dust or debris on the platter or record. Fix 1. Place the turntable on a level, stable surface. Ensure your record player is on flat, hard, or stable surface. Avoid placing it on carpet, soft furniture, or uneven tables as a vibration and instability can cause the needle to skip. Fix 2. Select the correct speed settings. Verify that the speed selector is set correctly for the record you are playing. 33 1 by 3 RPM for most LPs, 45 RPM for singles and EPs, 78 RPM for older shellac records. Playing at the wrong speed can cause skipping or distortion. Fix 3. Clean or replace the stylus. The needle, a dirty or worn stylus, is a common cause of skipping. Gently clean the stylus tip with a soft anti-static brush by brushing from back to front. If the stylus is damaged or heavily worn, replace it with a compatible new one to ensure smooth playback. Fix 4. Adjust the tracking force. If your Crossley model has an adjustable counterweight, set the tracking force to the manufacturer's recommended range, usually around 1.5 to 2 grams. Too little force causes the stylus to bounce out of the groove, while too much can damage record. Fix 5. Inspect and clean the platter, spindle, and belt. Remove the platter and check the belt for wear, slackness, or misalignment. Clean the spindle and platter surface to remove dust or debris that could interfere with smooth rotation. Reinstall the belt properly to maintain consistent platter speed. Fix 6. Check the turn arm and cartridge alignment. Make sure the turn arm moves freely and is balanced. Improper cartridge alignment can cause the needle to track incorrectly, leading to skip. Use a protector tool to align the cartridge if necessary. Fix 7. Test with different records. Sometimes skipping is caused by wrapped, scratched, or dirty records. Try playing a different vinyl to determine if the problem lies with the record itself. Fix 8. Minimize external vibrations. Keep your record player away from speakers, appliances, or other sources of vibration that can cause the needle to skip. Using isolation pads or a dedicated turntable stand can help reduce interference. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.